Alright. Hi. I know. It's been like, what, 170 days? I forgot to check. But I finally got enough motivation and under some circumstances because my computer is now in my bedroom, which is where I record because it's quiet and not awkward in my dusty room in my creaky chair. That aside, it may sound a bit different because my birthday's in, how many? 3 days, and I'm gonna be 16. Please. Anywho, I know it's been forever, but that's new. I haven't been on here in a while. Like, a while. I just have some random stuff I want to do. Is this the thing? No, it's another thing. Hold on, give me a minute. I'll get to back in a second. Alright, that took forever. I'm not sure why it took so long. Oh yeah, because, yeah. Oh, God. So, this is gonna hurt the computer. Turn the sound down, perhaps. Well, I'm not sure exactly how loud it is for you. Audio. Sound volume. Down a tad. It. This is the dynamic compartment. The thing. There are multiple ones, however, the small compartment, air quotes, light. I'm not exactly sure what that really means. It's very flammable. The only thing anchored to the ground is the foundation. But it's not really good. Fire does. For anything. I'm gonna try and make sure this doesn't take, like, this recording thing. Editing takes a while. Like, my videos used to be like an hour long for some reason. Used to be. I haven't really done much. I haven't really done much at all. Now, a lot of things have changed. Or, changed. One of the things is that you can do this. And now he's my friend. And he will shoot the other robots that aren't my friend. I'm not sure why you can't really, get over to that by clicking and trying to get over. Oh no, not one of these things. Die. Stop. I will use brute force. Oh, there's a fire. That was a terrible thing. That worked? I can't really see. Oh crap, burning alive. I like this one a lot. Interesting. I don't know why the shield does that. Why does it do that? It just flies everywhere. Oh. There you go, you're dead. So are you. So there's a fire. I'm not gonna bother putting it out because I'm easy. And also, I know I threw fire. But this want me and not for my friend went. Ah! Oh wait, is that my friend? Oh, it is. Okay, now this building is gonna burn. Well, I just said it just sucks. Now there's some mods are I'm not going around with that. Just blast out a window. This thing's gonna fall apart soon. Oh, these robots are just gonna... Oh, that's too close. Way too close. I didn't think it was on that close. Usually they spawn much far away. Much farther away. Oh, stop. Ooh. Oh, it would be hilarious if it landed on top of them. I'm not sure how loud my microphone. I'll notice that in editing. Come on. Get hit in the face. There you go. You guys are really, aren't you? Never mind! What? Oh, that fire drives. Okay. Smoke. My computer's 30 gigabytes of RAM. What is it doing? I guess, no, things aren't really moving. What's going on? I hope my microphone's on, or I'm going to throw my chair out the window. Maybe not, just because I wouldn't want a broken wooden chair in our driveway. My mom would not be happy with that, because today's Thanksgiving, and we're having family come over in an hour. No, they're not. Also, that's why the computer's in my room. Usually I play normally in the dining room. I always film here. Record, whatever you want to call it. You may have noticed, if anyone bothered paying attention to it very quickly, that I did a video because I found it really cringy. And I rambled a lot. But, like, too much and too weirdly. So, that's gonna stay that way until I make a remake of that video, but better. But I don't know when I'm gonna do that. It depends if I'm motivated enough, which is... it depends. Come on. It's just... I didn't really hit anything. I'm hitting something. I like the pistol better. Why is it fly? I don't know why it ends up flying into the air like that. And then look, this fire is really rising. Oh, it's on this floor. I gotta scram. Crap. No. I missed. How do you miss with a shotgun? How do you miss with a shotgun? Oh, that floor is... Ugh. Oh, it's getting laggy. I'm gonna go to a higher... It's only level 7. It's only level 7. Okay, the roof. This is totally a safe space. Totally a safe space. Oh, there's the helicopter. No, there's the laser robots. They're just sitting down there. It's like they don't know how to climb up the stairs. I'm pretty sure the stairs weren't broken. Right? I didn't break the stairs. Usually I don't, because I need to use them. I got an idea. Bear with me. Anti-air. Okay, anti-air. Hear me out. If a helicopter comes, we could use anti-air. Let me, oh, that's a hole. Or stop putting holes in the ceiling, or the floor, the roof, I don't know. Ah, crap. That's not a good idea. Please stop. Hold on, wait, I have a physics gun. Why do I have this? Oh, there's another mod. At least I didn't remember to turn off. Please stop. Okay, now, will you please sit over here? Okay. And you're not gonna break the floor? Okay, that was not me. This building is starting to bend a bit. I can see there's some stress on these joints. Oh, oh no, this part's detached somehow from somewhere. I can see the fire. Ah, crap, ew, I spit on my keyboard. What is this? Oh, wow, that was from this! It's a lucky land. Okay, this is getting boring. I need some, well, probably for you guys, I don't know. There we go. I need to get a helicopter, so it makes something interesting. I need trouble. And I immediately shot the other one out of the sky. Oh, I got a better idea. Okay, hear me out. If We take a piece of junk. Like, get out. Ah. Hold on a minute. As I was saying, if we take a piece of junk and totally, completely break it into pieces, crap, bear with me again. If we take a piece of junk and cover it in nitroglycerin thingies, I don't know, we can chuck it off the roof, which is totally a safe. I did not know this came off. I'll just... it looks like a spaceship. Oh yeah, that hit the ground. Let's just, not look where this is gonna land. And, you know the shell in there also explodes, so that's... He's down. Oh, now he'll die. This has been only 5 minutes? No way this has been 5 minutes. Yeah, no, this is not. I can see the timer isn't at least counting by 1 second. Normally, it's counting slower because of the lag. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's off by like 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Yeah, about 3 seconds. About 3 seconds. Then I'll throw a little more. Well, not that much, just I got stuff to throw it. Like I mentioned. What is wrong with me? they just fly somehow. Maybe aerodynamic. I don't think. Oh, I thought I heard a helicopter. No, I'm hearing stuff. Also, it's still level 9. Is this fire gonna get onto the roof? I'm not. That. Wait, that sounds like snow and ice. Now I'm confused. Oh, I thought I hadn't destroyed it. I was thinking for it. So since I can't crouch, time for the anti-air, potentially. Get to the thing. Drive the thing. A big off. Oh, here. It spawned. Will this work? I think possibly. Am I hitting it? Oh, wait. What are you shooting at? Oh, my vehicle condition's going down. Okay, this is not working. This is not working. Ow. Go inside. I have a fly. Yes, I have a fly mod. Is it cheating? Oh. Die. I am scared. Please stop. Oh, wow, that was a lucky hit. Oh, wait, now I got another problem with my hands. Ah! Die. I got an idea. Take a rocket launcher. I hit it in the nick of time. Oh no, I just created a shrapnel grenade in the air. I just detonated a shrapnel grenade in the air. And there's a helicopter in the ceiling. Oh crap. That was fun. Let me get up here. This thing is... Oh, the gun doesn't... Wait, no. Oh no, it just ran out of ammo. Can I reload? No. Well, and this thing's useless. I got an idea. Well, I got a real dumb idea. And involves taking this thing, because I'm pretty sure I should have the explosive vehicles mod. Or, you know, vehicles that explode. Dang, I don't know. I think it's called explosive vehicles mod. And we take it, and then we drop it down the stairwell. Not like that. That was uneventful. Hold on. I'm not sure what the vehicle condition is at this moment. But I'm trying to get as far away from me as possible. I think the mod is on. I think I saw the vehicle catch fire again. I'm not sure. Just to be sure. Oh my god, why is it? I think it's a stupid question to ask. Why is it lagging? Let's do the old throw a bunch of nitroglycerin attached to some crap down the stairs. This is gonna miss the intended target, isn't it? Oh, I don't like not being able to see where I'm throwing this high explosive thing. Did it land? Did it land? Where is it? Oh, I see it. It didn't. There's a pipe bomb. That'll surely do it. How do you miss with a pipe bomb? In fact, where is it? Where? Okay, I'm gonna send down another for good measure. Okay, so nitroglycerin here, and now drop down the hole in the elevator. Not elevator, the stairwell shaft. That one actually did it. I don't know if it got the. Oh, this entire building shook. Oh no, this thing's starting to buckle under its own weight. I think that the foundation may be a little disconnected. Are there robots down there? I don't know actually. Where are they? They must be in the bottom of the building. They have to be. Or outside. Oh, well, I see some. Oh. I'm not sure how long this video was. Is. I'm not sure why I said was, but I'm looking at my clock here. So it's Oh yeah, I do have this Minecraft mod, by the way. I forgot I had that. Where? I still... Did I detonate that thing down the shaft? Hold on, I got an idea. Okay, hear me out. This is totally not the awful idea. The Bay Bomb. This is not... This is totally gonna end well, right? Right? Oh, I need to get away. Oh, that killed some robots, I saw. This entire thing is gonna set on fire now. Where'd it land? Where'd it land? Oh, it landed in the shaft, alright. It landed down in the... Why do I keep saying elevator shaft? Stairwell. 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 Not elevator shaft. Okay. Oh, and there's the smoke and fire. I'm hearing a lot of falling parts, more specifically chunks of concrete, and that's a lot of fire. Oh, there's the fire plume. There's the mushroom cloud. Oh, everything's catching fire now. Oh, we're screwed. Oh, I'm screwed. You're just watching on the device or something. If you decide to watch this part. Oh, well. The lag. This lag isn't good. I don't know if it's running right now. That's a lot of fire. Oh, that mushroom cloud goes pretty high. Oh, the entire roof is on fire. Oh no, we're losing roof tiles. Everything is on fire. How am I gonna be able to move? It's just getting brighter and brighter. What is going on here? What is breaking? Why is stuff breaking? Wait a minute. Oh, I know why. Oh, the building's splitting in half. I need to get to the other side immediately. Ah! Oh, the other side is falling. Oh, wait, that's a real bad... Oh, wait, it's coming back. And now it's not. What is it doing? It's barely hanging on. This side is starting to twitch and quiver. Wait a minute. No, it's not. It's falling. I don't know what's going on. This side. I'm not sure which side's more stable. I'm not sure what's going on at this point. Everything's falling apart. No. Are there any robots anywhere? Oh, there's some far away. Update. There are now people in our parking lot. I don't think I should mention that, but that just means I may be running out of time. Oh, hit this. Okay, goodbye. Oh, as I was saying. Okay, goodbye. Whee! That was pointless. Is this building gonna collapse? It's doing it very slowly. Hold on, I think I may speed up the process. Hold on. Hear me out with this other stupid idea. If we take a cinematic bomb, and then drop it down the side of the boat, I'm screwed. Oh! That was down the front of the building, not down the middle, more like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, everything's falling. Oh no. Oh, and I'm on the side that was falling. Oh, well, crap. Ah! I'm running up the side of it. Oh no, that's bad. That's really bad. That's too many robots. I didn't know they were all in the base of the building waiting for me. Oh, they're all... Oh, I got a problem. Oh no, I need to get to a new map. I'll be right back after I get to a new map. Okay, so this is Camp Mount Everest in the middle of a snowstorm.
Not even. I don't get it. What are these lyrics? Just.
Oh. How are you standing?
I'd like to eat first, man. Eat big, guys.
Yeah, what are these lyrics?
I'd like to eat the fuck. I'd like to eat first, man.
Why is it yellow here? Is that me? I didn't mean to shoot the beat. I missed. How the helicopter function in this either? Oh no. Well, this is running significantly smoother than the other map. Come on over here. Ow, I didn't mean to use that. I meant to use a shotgun. Alright, I certainly hit that robot. Crap. Wait a minute. Ow, ow, ow. Help me. No. I'm gonna get an army of little robots. Oh, crap. No. Please don't kill me. I'm trying to kill me. I thought I hacked you. Yeah, I hacked you. You're good. I did not. No. Are you shooting at me? Oh, you're a bad guy. Go away. Don't stop. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm gonna run over here. There's a radio tower. Let's see how I shoot at it. Oh, crap. It is barely on. Yeah, hide in here. Or behind the fence. That's a good idea. Ah! This is hanging on by literally tiny. Goodbye. Oh, there it goes. I have to hold out in here, I guess. Never mind, I'm gonna run. This whole world. What? Ow. Ah, thank you. Run away. Run away. Bomb! Just scream bomb. Ah! Why is it so dark? I played this before, however, I don't remember it being dark like this. However, I kind of forgot some of the stuff that went on. Ah! Going. Stop! Doorbell. Ow! I'm gonna get him out here. Ow! Ow! I'm doing some things. I'm not sure if that was my friend or another robot. Ah! Ow, stop, stop, stop. Ow. Aw. Please give me a minute. Because I'm trying to do some stuff that's really dumb. This is terrible. Give me a minute. I'm gonna come back once I turn this mod off. Okay, I'll be right back after I turn this mod off. So I can actually do this. I lied. I lied. I wanted to do something else. So I'm doing causing havoc on an airplane. It's very quiet. Wait a minute. If the air masks are in here, if the air masks, I need to make sure that there aren't any air masks. Because that would be really laggy. Everything seems normal. No, don't have air masks. Why is everything so heavy? Hold on, I'm gonna need my fly mode. Because what's about to happen is, well, loud, but also, I think it may, it may suck me out. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Just take your handy dandy. Where's my blowtorch? Your handy dandy blowtorch that you somehow got allowed to keep on. Ah! Oh, this was the wrong side of the plane. I meant to go to the front of the plane. So, whee! Front of the plane, because the reason is that all this stuff likes to fly into the engine this way. Now, oh. Was that instant engine destroy? Seriously. Oh yeah, it's on fire. I got an idea. Oh, I accidentally missed. That's pretty bad. Let's take this guy here who's very heavy. I think that you may. Yep, lighter by the head for some reason. Why are you? Oh, you're stuck. Goodbye. Oh, I missed. He's like hobo or something. Ah! I keep missing. Oh, I got an idea. This will be more exact. Just take this. It's now like a Molotov cocktail. Where am I? I don't know. It says, I think it says in the description like, what, 20,000 feet in the air. It's a long fall. Ah! Throwing too far. Wait. Hold on, I just got a real dumb idea. So, can I... Oh! Oh, I didn't mean to. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, new idea. I'm trying to throw as many leaves. Well, a bunch of leaves. I now have something really dumb. This. How are you floating? Floating. Floating. Why are you floating? Huh? None of this. The engine isn't spinning. Oh, there is stuff spinning. Oh, man. Balls. Let's see. Let's just... Now set it on fire. Oh, I actually set a fire. Coming out the back? No, but I could see my face off. Oh, I got 90. Like, I'm stupid as to why I need to do this. Hold on a minute. Let me just tear off this door. No, what is this? Like, what is this? I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, you're still coming with me, because I'm gonna cover you in gasoline. Oh, oops. I covered something exploded. I don't know what it was. What is that? If both engines go out, are we gonna fall? Let's find out. Oh, no. Open the door. I will do this. There we go. It didn't have to be this complicated. Now, let's just make our own handy-dandy Molotov cocktail. Oh no, I didn't mean to set the whole plane on fire. Crap. I don't know what to do. Oh, we're screwed. I don't know if this is fire station. Architect? Why is an architect on like this? Who are you? Why? Yes. I did not spawn these guys in. They're about to burn alive. Oh wait, there's an explosive in here, which is a fire extinguisher. Irony. The irony, because once this thing explodes, it's gonna cause a lot of fire. This is flying backward. Yeah, what the heck? Some stuff's flying back. I'm gonna find the... okay, this entire plane's gonna burn. Oh, there's... oh, there are two skateboards. Get off. I need the door off. There we go. Get off. Get off. Get off. Ah! Well, crap. Yeah, usually I just go, wee, and fly out. No. Can I actually sit here? Not. I gotta make it. I'm gonna need to sit up here, though, probably. No, I need an item. I need an object, a piece of garbage of sorts. I don't know. For a person's corpse. I don't know if they're dead. Let's just, once again, take our nitroglycerin stuff and attach it to the sides of their head. Just attach it to them in general. Then, definitely, extremely gently, haul them outside. And then... ow! I was gonna say throw them into the engine, but apparently not. Well, after that, excruciating event. Fire that was. Oh my god, this fire plane somewhere. Yeah, no, I can't live here with radiation. It's cool. Running. Oh, you're slowly blowing up all over the place. Let's just take this little plane and crash it and casually crash into the giant plane. No, I don't want you gone yet. I'm not done till I blow. Oh, alright. This plane is really durable. Oh man. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I heard someone up. I heard them. Oh, everything's on fire. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, I heard someone get exploded again. And now there's no one. Oh man. This plane also is kind of rigged to explode because I failed to mention that the underside of these planes cracked and exploded. Oh, lightning here. Or wait, no, hold on. Let's just happen. I don't know. It is indestructible. What is this? Oh, this is like cargo load or something. What's this? No, it's the landing gear. Why is the tires indestructible? I thought this was gonna blow up. Like, I know they're explosives, but this plane has just demonstrated. But there are 3 people, I think? I'm just gonna have to blow up the place in this plane. Or, actually, I just forgot about the back stack. I'm gonna get to a new map. One more map, because I don't know how long this video is, and I don't want it to be forever, to take forever to edit, so... One more thing. Oh yeah, we're back here. Also, I'm making up this video on the spot, basically. So... Oh. This thing exploded. No more underwear. Something hit you, apparently. Stop. Wait a minute. No, apparently I can't get rid of it. Even when I have to really go under the map. So, also, wait, does it say anything? No, this says something. Very dang. Basically, it does funny, and that funny is this. Eee! There all the parts. Does this thing burn? How flammable is this building? Not very. Oh, I'm still covering it. Okay, there's some flammable parts of it. Oh! Now this is what we're talking about. Seriously hanging on by an actual thread. This is so close to just flying. Hold on a minute. Oh my god! I had to stop myself from flying away. Wait, there's a door down here. Look. Seriously? Oh, screw me then. Wait a minute, there's another weird thing up here. Besides what's on here. I'm gonna ignore that. Not sure what happened there. Why would you want to build anything up here? Like anything. Like anything. Can I drive you? Nope. Okay. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye into the abyss, or wherever this is going. And I accidentally. No, it looks weird. Okay, where's this bomb? And this bomb. Batman, for some reason. You want to nuke them now. Why would you want to nuke Mount Everest? Oh! Oh! I got it out! Oh, I got it out! I want to look at this thing. I got it out. I didn't know I could pull it out. It was like a carrot, pulling out a carrot. So if I just like let this thing, like this thing just blows up. Hold on, man, I got an idea. I gotta be a little careful because like one voxel is gone from this thing, and it'll blow up. So blow up our tent. Stop! I hate that static. Settings. Can I eat them? Oh, I can't. Resurrect. I thought it was a C4. Well then. Baby. Now, let's just go very far away. Oh, I can see the light coming out, but it looks like it's radioactive. The SR is blue light. Oh, that's radioactive. And then there's the mushroom cloud that rises. You're not fair. There we go. It literally is a mushroom cloud. Well then, let's bring all these I don't know exactly, these cows or something? Oh, goats? Just bones stuff, because they don't have legs for some reason. I don't know why they don't have legs at all. Please hold while I do this random thing I want to do. Okay, now we're back. I've gathered all the bones I could find. One of the skulls broke while moving over here, so that's why there's one more sets of ribs or something than normal. So I'm gonna gather all these bones all over here. I don't know why they don't have any legs. Were they just like... If these were goats, I'm assuming they're goats just by the weird horns and stuff. Unless they're cows, I don't know. Then they were just weird meat sausages. Oh yeah, I did forget that. I had to do that. Oh, I know how to fix that. Easy. You just... on fire. There you go, now there's a fire in this shaft thing. Oh, it's a weird hole. I'm gonna drop a bunch of bones. And now I'm gonna take one with me. Nah! Oh, yeah, never mind. Ow. Where's the fire? Oh, I thought they'd all explode once they hit the ground. Well then. There's some weird stuff in here. Wait, actually, is there a secret here? I don't know what secret entrance this is. No. No, I don't like... This is a weird maze. I'm not really good at mazes. Oh! I'm not French, but I just want to look. It's a hole. Oh, just, lovely. Oh, I broke the signs. Let's look where the no is. What? What is this? Huh? What? What's this room? Oops. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me do something quickly. Okay, I tried to fit a car in here. Didn't 100% work, at least as of the second minute. Oh, this isn't working. Okay. New plan. Was there ever a plan, as I was trying to say? Oh, go down the hole, go down the hole. Oh, it's gonna explode here otherwise. No. Crap. Get out of the way! It's like one of the smallest vehicles I could find. And it's just... Oh, there's the frame. Can you actually fit down here at all? There you go. Oops. Once again, the old nitroglycerin and garbage thing. Oh, it hit the edge, but whatever. Did it unclog it though? No, it made it worse. Okay, I do have an idea though. I'm just gonna do whatever it is with this egg. I just hit it. What? Oh, I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it. Okay, another. Oh, I don't have my gun stuff. I do have. We'll find you guys surprise. Ha! Good job. Well then, alright. What, you expect me to get up? What is outside this, actually? What is outside this thing? Oh, it's just dark and creepy. I'm not gonna spoil the end, as I see it right there. So, oh yeah. Welcome to... I'm very confused, but I guess that's how we knock the block. Of course I'm gonna set whatever I can set on fire. Okay, I don't have a hammer. Yeah. What in the world? Filler comedy. Oh, well then. Being too funny? I'm confused. Free French, great propaganda, great. Well, I know how to solve this. Yeah! Okay, what is this? He's not jailed. He's not. Hello, you lobster. Wait, can I break you? Ah! I don't think that was. Can I break you? Oh, apparently it's indestructible bikers. Oh! Sir, may I look at your wonderful face? Oh! Ugh. Okay, let's see what this key is for. It's really heavy. Am I going wrong? Nope. Oh, that was loud. I'm not sure why he's in here. It doesn't say anything. Nothing. Nothing. No. It's not people jailed here. People, I don't know who they are. It's a lobster, actually. Come on, in the hole. Go in the hole. Yeah. Ah! on. Well, if this door can open. What? Seems like I didn't need the door after all. Well, it seems like I unlocked it once I did that.
Okay, this works. Okay, good. Hello, if you can read, hear this, they're already onto me.
No.
I think I got the rope tight. Okay, we gotta drop now, down now. Okay, there we go.
Why am I?
Okay.
Why? Is that a fart? Or something? Apparently, I can just hit dry fire this hammer a bunch. How do I... Oh, there's a key, I know. Ah! What is this? Yeah, another funny key. Why is it funny? Oh! Oh. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, no! Ah! Okay, but... No! 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 Screw you. Oh! Wearing someone's skin. Can I break this? What happens if it's broken? I don't... What? Oh, I can't break this. Okay, it seems I can't break this. Well, are you sure about that? Oh, never mind, I can break the doors. I'm not sure how I'm gonna... Well, I don't have a gun, but I do have this. I blew up the door. Well, this car is now completely burned. Ah! No, no, give me that! Okay. Oh. What is up here, actually? What's up here? Oh! Nothing! Okay. Nope, and just touch the car. Okay. Well then. I guess thanks for watching if you managed to get... Oh, excuse me, if you managed to get all the way to the end. I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure when the next time I'll make another video. It just depends on my motivation, which has been getting there. It's just the annoying part is getting the computer up here in my bedroom. And then editing. So, I guess then you'll see me in the next video if you watch any other video of mine that you can watch but some are private. So anyways, goodbye. Again.